Welcome to Low Key PD. Today we're going to be looking at Google Docs, the File menu, and the New command. This doesn't do much, but one of the things it will do is actually quite impressive. First, when you go to File and you click on New, you can just create a new document. If you select Document, it will just create a new Google Doc, a blank one from this one. Maybe that sounds useful to you, maybe it doesn't. There are tons of ways to create new Google Docs, but the really interesting one is the From Template Gallery. If you're not familiar with the template gallery for Google Docs, when you click on this, it will take you to a page that has different templates that people have uploaded. And the idea behind the template is if you're going to use a document and it has to have the same format or structure over and over again, rather than just, take the old one, make a copy, change everything, you can create a template which has that basic structure already built in, and then you can create a new document from that template, add what you need. You don't have to mess with any of the other ones or make other copies. And so you can reuse documents that have the same structure and formatting over and over and over again for whatever different things you're going to do. There's already a few here. Now, when you start, you'll probably want to submit the template first so that it's available later. If you click on Submit Template, you can select the document. You can also select whether or not you want to upload the document itself as the template or update a copy of that document as the template. The difference there is if you upload a copy, you can make changes to the original template and they won't be reflected when you use that template until you upload the new template. If you select the document itself, any changes you make to that document will be reflected when anybody uses that as a template. And then you can categorize these templates as well: basics, brochures and newsletters, and so on. There's several categories here. And that's how you can submit your own template for reuse later. Right now, once you submit a template, there's a bunch of different templates that you can use. Some of them were created by MSD of Boone Township employees. Others are just general templates that are available to pretty much everybody. So you can browse those as well. And this is a really quick way to add some formatting and some style to Google Docs that you use over and over again without having to redo that work all the time. So those are your options when you click on Google Docs, the File menu, and select New.